Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Video I'm going to show you after this was made with this. This is a GP38, I believe, that we installed a camera right here. We installed a camera right there. Trying to open this up real quick, if I can, and show you what we've done. Things are a little harder than it looks sometimes. Apologies, I don't have an overhead camera. Okay, sorry, there's a pause in there. Had to get a different style screwdriver. And there's our base. This is an old Athearn that I got in a thrift store. And what we've done is, I'll show you here, is we have a camera set up. Basically like this. You can get these on Amazon for like 30-40 bucks. The camera comes apart. You can actually take this piece, top piece, off and put the wired camera piece in. And what we've done is taken, on this one you can take the cap off. So we're going to see it this way. And as you can see, there's the camera right there. And these cameras have, these particular units have Wi-Fi. So you can send it to your phone and record. It also takes an SD card. And with, I guess, decent lighting, because the video I'm going to show you doesn't have great lighting, but you get a good idea of a actual, to me, an actual cab view of a train ride. We have it on the right side, the same side an engineer is going to be on. And it works really well for what we want to do. So, you know, take a look at the video, let me know what you think, and enjoy. And please remember, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a good night, and hopefully we have a little bit bigger update on the layout next week, which we'll be working on. Enjoy.